Game! Hi guys! Sadie, hello! So welcome back sa elisarpala.com YouTube channel. For this video, sasama ko yung video kong ginawa kahapon, isang araw, para sa guitar. So gagawa tayo ng bagong playlist dito. Ayan, so tutorial ni Ellie sa pag-gitar. Gagamitin natin tong libro na binili ko dati nung 2004. Nung tayo ay nasa Sydney, Australia. Flashback. So yung mga video na to dito sa playlist na how to play guitar, syempre nasa YouTube na to forever, di ba? So mapapanood pa to ni Sadie pagka siya ay dalaginding na, dalaga na. Ayan, makikita niya yung sarili niya, nagsasayaw, nagsishoppy shake. So makikita niya to pag siya ay gustong mag-gitara, papanoorin na lang niya yung playlist. Ayan, anak, your princess!
Here, Sadie.
Okay, so ito yung magiging guide natin, how to play guitar, book 1. O kaya ito, how to play guitar lead, how to play lead, rhythm, chord, scales, using effects. Ayan, so magaganda yung topics dito. So kung ikaw gusto mong matutong mag-gitara, mag-subscribe ka na rin. Matuto ka na rin mag-gitara katulad ni Sadie. Anak ko, ay, naeksa si mami. Ayan, private life si mami. So ano? So i-share ko muna, my princess, i-share ko muna yung video ko kahapon, Tears in Heaven. So galing siya sa riffriff.com kung gusto niyo matuto mag-gitara ng mga, kung gusto niyo manood ng mga guitar tutorial na Pinoy English, punta lang kayo dito sa riffriff.com, okay? So ito, how to play Tears in Heaven ni Idol Eric Clapton. Okay, at sa mga susunod na video, ito ang ating pag-aaralan. Okay, so subscribe na sa ating channel, subscribe sa ating playlist. Okay? Any message? May sasabihin ka ba sa inyong, sa future self mo? Ano sasabihin mo kay Sadie, princess? Bye-bye! O, say bye! Galit? Galit? Hi there! Welcome back! Welcome to riffriff.com. So this is the YouTube channel where you can learn how to play simple guitar songs on the guitars. For this video, I'm gonna show you how to play the Grammy award-winning song Tears in Heaven by Eric Clapton. So this song was released way back in 1992. So this song won the Grammy for Best Male Pop Vocals as well as the Song of the Year. If you want to know more about the song, head over to riffriff.com/tearsinheaven. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to play the main signature riff or the main guitar parts of the song. Okay, so if you want to know more about the song, about the whole song, how to play the song, comment below and I read every comment. Okay, so before we begin, don't forget to click subscribe so you can get notified of the new video. Okay, so this is how you play the intro, which is basically also how you play the verse. So it's in key of A. So that's the intro. Basically, the same way how you play the verse later. So that's the intro. So the opening line would be open 6th string, you hammer on the 2nd fret, and then open 5th string. You can use the thumb in hammering, and your chord should be ready by then. Okay, and then you use your pinky to hammer and pull off the 2nd to 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then the 2nd fret on the 3rd string is the last note. So that's so after the open A on the 5th string, the next note would be the 2nd fret on the 4th string, which is an E note. And then you do the hammer-on pull-off on the 2nd string, okay? And then this is an E chord with a bass on a G sharp. So you use your thumb on the 4th fret. So the notes to play here is the 6th string, 2nd string, and the 3rd string. So it's like a D form only on the 4th fret. So you play the 2nd string, 5th fret, and the 3rd string on the 4th fret, plus the bass on the 4th fret, okay? Okay. So the next chord is an F sharp minor. So you'll be playing the same set of string. So that's the 6th string, 2nd and 3rd string, okay? When you play the 3 strings, you immediately play the bass again before you transition to F sharp. Same 3 strings to play. And then when you go back and play the second fret bass, you slide. The double stop here is you play the 1st and 2nd string on the 5th fret, slide it to the 7th, and go back. And then the 5th and 4th fret on the 2nd and 3rd string is a D. It's the E. Slide it on the 7th position and then go back again. And then you go on the final slide on the 2nd fret on the 2nd and 3rd string. Again. And then before you go transition to the next chord, you have an open bass E. Then you do a D F sharp bass, same 3 strings. You use the thumb, index, and the 3rd finger in playing those strings, okay? And then after the F sharp, you release and make it an open E. And then from the D, you just put the 2nd fret on the 1st fret on the 3rd string here, okay? Again, that's the intro. Do it again. You will be alternating the bass notes for the A and the E. You can either play the E high note on the 4th string or the E on the 6th string. I prefer to use the high E. And then you sing with the first verse, same pattern. The only difference is the intro, we won't be using this 2nd to 1st fret. As you can see, let's do the first verse. You can see from the D, we play the open high E, and then we do the A, and then we do the E. So same string, you just add the high E here, okay? So again. And then the transition there is the A, second, again the 2nd and 3rd string, you play it around like that. So that's 2nd, and then this is in an E7, so you'll be playing the 2nd and 3rd string. 2nd string will be on the 3rd fret, 3rd string will be on the 4th fret. Again, first verse. But basically, the intro and the verse uses the same pattern, and strumming and plucking pattern. Okay, so if you want to know more about the song, you want to know the whole song on how to play, comment below. If there's enough requests for the song, I'm gonna do a whole tutorial on the whole song. Or if you want to know the whole song, watch the whole tutorial at riffriff.com/tearsinheaven. Okay, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell so you'll get notified on the coming videos here at riffriff.com YouTube channel. Thank you very much and see you again next time.